Hello friends, how are you? In this video I will show you how to create a Gmail account. So if you want to create Gmail account, then follow my simple steps. Before to start the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And don't forget to like my video. Let's start the video. First of all, we open the Google Chrome. Then we click on the icon. Then click on the add another account. Then click to create account. Then select to manage my business. Then fill the first name, first name, last name. Then choose a username. I choose a username. You can also choose according your choice. And then click and then create a password. My username is RA taken, so I do some changing in my username and then click to next. Then here enter your phone number. So I can enter my phone number. Date of month. You choose your date of month. Then select your gender. Then click to next. Select I agree. Then click to continue. Your account is created and now you use your account as you want to use, where you want to use. If you like my video, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more updates like that. Thank you.